Hey, I'm Wes Miller, Pro UTV Turbo number 989, and we're here at the Mint 400. So here we are, we're at the Mint 400 in Tech and Contingency in the Rugged Radio booth. They're doing a meet and greet with the drivers, so we get to interact with the fans. It's awesome here. Anybody, if you get a chance to come to this event, it's such a cool event. Probably my favorite one.
This is my third year here. I just like to thank all my sponsors, especially DWT. They're the absolute best wheel company on the market. They just keep me running strong every race.
We're based out of Carlsbad, so when we tune in Southern California, the elevation's a little bit different. So we did some clutching, just kind of like fine-tuning the past couple days, got the car all dialed. We're set up in the main pits, and then we're doing Tech and Contingency here in town on Fremont Street in Vegas. So everything's going really good. Just can't wait to start the race and get this going. My game plan for the Mint 400, it's a pretty rough, somewhat long race. It's just under 350 miles. I'm starting 23rd off the line. I'm thinking get through the first lap in one piece. I want to set a good pace, but I'm not going to press too hard. And then, I think try to pick it up a little bit the second and third lap, see where we're at, and kind of adjust our speed from there. So I really think the key is just getting through the first lap clean. So, that's going to be my goal. I can't wait till Saturday to race.